This is the 2016 to 2018 Acura RDX. I'm about to show you how to pair and set up wireless CarPlay with the Hamilton upgrade kit. We're going to have a full installation video. Be sure to check it out on our YouTube channel. You'll see that this kit is going to use your factory car's Bluetooth for audio. That means it preserves 100% original audio quality. For all product details, check us out, hamiltonmotorcompany.com. All right, let's dive in and get started. I'm now going to show you how to pair and set up wireless CarPlay. We're going to be pairing the phone both to the factory Acura system and to the Hamilton upgrade kit. I'll note to you that long holding the back button here is how you switch between the Hamilton underlying operating system and the factory Acura operating system. This Hamilton underlying operating system is where you can control settings outside of CarPlay or Android Auto. From the Hamilton underlying operating system, let's first go to Settings, System, and we want to verify that this setting is turned on. Use car's Bluetooth channel. This is telling the Hamilton upgrade kit that we'll be using the factory Bluetooth channel for audio. This means we'll fully preserve your original audio quality. All right, let's long hold the back button now. We'll go to the factory system, touch Settings, Audio Settings, Bluetooth device list. We'll locate a phone, and let's do replace this device. Do you want to retain the speed dials? You can click yes or no. This is irrelevant. Now, on your iPhone, go ahead and open it up. Open up Bluetooth. Scroll to the bottom. And the car is now going to search for Bluetooth devices. You don't need to take any manual action from the phone at this point. It's found the phone. We'll touch enter. A pairing code will appear on the phone. Click pair. Click allow to contacts and favorites. And we'll wait until we see this display change. That'll mean the pairing is complete with the car. All of this for now is still in the Acura factory radio. See how that system changed here? That means the phone is now paired. All right, audio is now paired. Let's go ahead and set up wireless CarPlay. We'll long hold the back button here to come to the Hamilton underlying operating system. Come back to all Bluetooth devices. Let's turn Bluetooth off and back on. And now scroll to the bottom, and when you see a new Hamilton device appear, go ahead and click it. There'll be a pairing code. Touch pair. Touch allow to contacts and favorites. My phone has multiple Hamilton devices because we do a lot of testing here. Now you'll wait for that pairing to complete. It'll usually take about 20 seconds the first time. If you see a blue button that says connect down here, click connect. The iPhone will not always prompt you with that button, but when you see it, click connect. With the phone now connected on CarPlay, let's long hold the back button to go back to the factory Acura system. Go back. We'll do connect Bluetooth audio device. Touch the phone and let it connect. That is an important step to make sure your phone is paired to the Acura. Now here we are. CarPlay is rolling, the phone is connected, and you're ready to go. Of course, if you need any extra tips or best practices, check out our help center, help.hamiltonmotorcompany.com. This car is ready to go. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. We have support based here in Raleigh, North Carolina at 919-858-2890. I'll see you in the next video.